Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter, 24K on Instagram, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the DataLocker Sentry K350. This has a whopping 256 gigs of storage. It has AES 256-bit encryption, FIPS 140-2 level 3, so that's important, and we'll put in the details why that's important. Ultra secure password protection, easy setup, and the setup is easy as turning it on with this button right here. And it takes a couple of seconds to boot up. It checks the data card inside for any running nefarious software, and it will block any use if it does find any. And then you just key in the password that you want. It's pretty simple right there, and the button, of course, will turn it off. This auto charges once it's plugged into any of the devices. It's USB 3.2 Gen 1, and it can be managed with console software as well. And the easy setup right here, pretty simple. Couple of steps and you get your password ready to go. This is the DataLocker K350 Sentry USB data stick. Works with multiple platforms and it comes in multiple sizes, and this happens to be the 256 gigabyte version. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.